ആ ആ
Shapes, solid shape. Shape can be neither plane or a solid. Shapes can be plane. Plane means that is a rectangle, triangle, that is circle, oval, that is a plane. And solid shape means that is a solid. So a plane shape has only sides. Plane shapes have only sides. A solid shape has face, edge and vertex. So the solid shape has a face they have, and edges and vertices. Yes, no, vertex. Then here are some common solid shapes are there: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. So face, edges and vertices. A plane surface of a solid object is called face. See the plane shape. This is one shape. See one, that is a face. The plane, what they are telling? The plane surface. So that is a face. Then edges means that is a, see the line where two faces meet. See one they are meeting, that is a line. See one they are meeting, no, so that is a two faces, 1 and 2. Then this is line, one face and two face. Then where it is meet, that is a edge. So faces meet is an edge. Then point where the edge meet is called vertex. So this is a edge, this is a straight line, this is a calling that this is what? Sides, and that is a edge meet this one. So it is called vertex. Thus cuboid has 6 flat space: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And how many edges? Edges means that is a sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 edges. And vertex is that is a point. The more corner, we are telling corner. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertex. Let us understand these solid shapes in detail. See, this is object, solid shape, and the number of a face and edges and vertex. So this is a cone. Cone means that is a ice cream or a cone. This is a solid shape, cone. Cone has one flat face, only one flat face is there, and curved one. This is a flat. Which one is flat? This one is flat. This one is flat shape, and curved shape is 1. Curved shape is 1, and edge is 1, and vertex is 1. Vertex is 1. Now here it is a what? Cylinder. Cylinder, this one is pen, that is a seeing as a cylinder, or this one candle. Okay, the solid shape is cylinder, and this is a two flat face, two flat shapes, face, two flat, 1 and 2 flat. Flat means this one. So flat, one face, and this is one another flat face, and curved, one curved face, and no vertex. So nothing is meet that one point. So that is a no vertex. Now cuboid. Cuboid was what? This one box. That is a C. This one. So this is a 6 flat face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And edges, that is a sides, 1, that is a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Vertex, that is a point. That is a edges where it is a meet, that is a point. So 8 vertex. Now cube. This is a dice, and cube, that is ice cube. The solid shape is cube. And 6 flat face, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So and wedges 12 and vertex is 8. Now here it is a sphere, that is a ball, and there it is a ball. Yes, no? So this is solid shape, that is sphere. See here it is a one curved face. One curved face is there. No edges and no vertex. Here it is a no edges and no vertex. Now my practice time 2. Match the following. See, this is a cylinder. So we have to match this one. This is a cuboid. So this one you have to match. This is a cone. Cone. This is a cone shape. That is a cap, birthday cap. And this is a solid shape. That is a cone. Ice cube. That is a cube. And this is a globe. This is a sphere. So this one you have to match. In the blanks, I am a plane shape. I have 3 corners and 3 sides. 3 corners and 3 sides means what? Who I am? That is a triangle. I am a plane shape. I have a 4 sides and 4 corners. All my sides are equal. If it is equal, who I am? I am a square. And I am a solid shape. The shoes box looks like me. The solid shape that is shoes like me is what? That is a cuboid. So I have neither a side nor a corner. I am not have a side and no corner. I look like an egg. Who I am? So who I am they are telling? So I am a sphere. I am like a ball. If you cut me into 2 equal halves, I will be like a cup in which you can put things. Who I am? That is a sphere. Here it is I remember. There are 2 types of face in the solid shape. One flat face and curved face, and a box has a flat face while the ball has a curved face. Now here it is what? Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Find the number of sides and corner. So you have to draw and you have to tell that one how many sides. See, rectangle means 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And corner means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many sides and corners does a circle have? A circle no side and no corner. How many flat and curved face does a sphere, cone and cylinder have? Sphere, one curved face. Sphere have one curved shape face, and cylinder 2 flat face, one curved face. 2 flat face and 2 flat face means what? See, this is like this. This is 1 flat and 2 flat, and curved means this is like this. This is a curved, one curved face. Cone, 1 flat face, only one, and one flat face and 1 curved face. Now rolling and sliding. This is a what? Slide. He is sliding and here the ball is rolling. Depending upon the shape of object, some object roll or some slides while some can both roll and slide. Try pushing a ball on the floor or on a table. If it is a ball we are pushing, what it happened? It will be roll. What happened? It will be roll or a slide or a both roll and slide. It will be roll. So roll, that is a roll. Try pushing your pencil. Pencil you are pushing, what happened? On the floor or a table, will it roll, slide, both roll and slide? No, only slides. That is a slide. This is slide. Roll means like this. So roll means that is a turning and rolling. So pencil is slide. So pencil, if it is putting your here keeping on the table, if you this is a not rolling, this is a slide. So if you are trying the push, yeah, now I am pushing, what happened? This is slide. Okay, try pushing a birthday cap on the floor or a table. So it will what? Roll and slide. Both roll and slide. Now tracing out flat shapes from solid shape. So here it is you take your compass and trace that on corners. What happened? You are getting rectangle. And dice you take and trace the flat surface, and what you are getting? A square. So cubeboard, a cubeboard pencil box, that is a compass box, can be traced to get a rectangle. What you are getting? Rectangle. Dice, the cube you are taking trace, you make a square. Similarly, you can trace other solid shapes to get a plane shape. You can make that one. Okay, now any solid shape you take and trace on the paper, you get the shape, that is a plane shape you are getting. So my practice time 3, roll and or a slide. You have to tell roll, it is a rolling or a slide. So push the pencil box on the floor. What happened? You are taking a pencil box, you are putting, just you push, what happens? Slide. It is not rolling. Push a bottle on the floor, it will roll. Push a glass on the floor, it will be glass. Roll. It is not slide. Push a lunch box on the floor, it will slide. Match the object with the circle they belong to. One has done for you. So cap is both slide and roll. So here it is a cylinder, that is a juice, that is a juice box, that is a cylinder. It is coming here, roll. It will be roll. And glass also roll, and bulb also rolling, and ball also, that is also roll. And book, it is a slide. We are making a slide. Book we are taking, and what we are making? This one is what? We are taking the book. Here I am pushing this one. This is not rolling. This is a what? This one is slide. Okay. Then cap. Cap is, that is a slide. Third one, trace out the base of this solid shape in your notebook. Also write down the name of the plane shape you traced. When you are tracing, you get circle, cone, and cylinder, that is a juice. When you are tracing the surface, that is a flat, that is a circle you are getting. And eraser, you get rectangle. Ball, you get circle, and this one you are getting rectangle. So mass in my life. Look this car. What is the shape of its wheel? That is circle. If you see, if the wheel of a car will be square shape, would it move? If it is a car wheel shape square, it will be move? No. So it is not rolling. This is no. If the football with which you play a shape like cube, if it is this is a sphere, that is a ball, if you are making this is cube, would you able to play this one? No. So they are telling think. What you learned? Lines, that is a curved line, straight line in straight line, horizontal slipping line, and vertical lines, that is a slipping line, standing line, and slant lines. Okay. Then here it is a use to make a shapes, and that is a plane shapes and solid shape. In plane shape, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, and oval. And in solid shape, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Okay. Then can, roll, or a slide. See, slide means something that has a clear shape and generally hard or a firm. Face means a plane surface of a solid object. Edge means the line where two faces meet. Vertex means the point where the edges meet. Evaluate, complete this on picture, drawing. Okay, slipping line, slant line, and standing line is there. So, which plane shape did you draw in above picture? They are telling in above picture, this is a rectangle shape, square shape you are getting, and triangle shape you are getting. Okay. So, fill in the blanks. Shape with dash face will slide, that is a slide, that is a flat. Shape with dash face will roll. Which is a roll? That is a curve. Which is a slide? That is a flat. Which is a rolling? That is a curve. What shape will you get if you place 3 dice on the one on the top, others. Now observe the new figure. Here it is a new figure I got. See, 3 dice are there. I putting one by one up. Then which shape I am getting? This is what? Which shape? That is a triangle. That is a rectangle. We are getting rectangle shape. So write the number of a face, that is 6, edges 12 and vertex 8. So this is a cuboid shape, no? And new shape is what? Cuboid. What we get? Cuboid shape. And will it is roll or a slide? This is a slide, not rolling. When you trace a base on this solid shape, which plane shape you are getting? Rectangle. Which shape? Which shape plane shape you are getting? Rectangle. See, new figure we got, that is a cuboid. New figure, cuboid, and that is a plane shape we are tracing, that is a rectangle. Now use the cube given below the complete crossword. A solid shape having a no edge and vertex, that is first, that is a no vertex, they are telling no edges and vertex. So, and third one they are telling that is a sphere, no vertex and no edges. Okay, the third one, shape of a book. Shape of a book, what? That is a cuboid. So this is what? Cuboid. And fifth one, plane shape having a 2 slight lines, that is a fifth one, triangle. That is a 2 slight line are there, no? And first one, down they are telling plane shape having a 4 lines, plane shape having down. This one you are crossed, 1, 3 and 5, that is a cross, and down they are telling that is a plane shape, 4 lines means square. Shape of a birthday cap, you know, that is a birthday cap, cone, C-O-N-E. Now cone. Fourth one, plane shape that looks like an egg, that is a oval.